to see some problems on area. That is, here we have some solved examples. The first question is, if the side of a square is doubled, then the ratio of the area of resulting square to that of the given square is. So first, let us take the side of the given square be A. So if the side of the given square equal to A, then what will be the area of that given square? It will be equal to side into side, that is A into A equal to A square. So this is what the area of the given square. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to find out the side of the resulting square. So here what will be the side of the resulting square? Here listen, the side of the square is doubled, isn't it? So this means we have to double this side. So 2 into this A will be equal to what? 2A. So therefore what will be the area? The area will be equal to side into side, that is this 2A into 2A. Now 2A into 2A will be equal to what? 4A square. So therefore area of the given square is A square and the area of the resulting square is 4A square. Now what will be the required ratio? Now the required ratio will be equal to this 4A square is to A square, because we have to find the ratio of resulting square to that of given square. So that is why we have written the area of the resulting square first, and then only we have to write the area of given square. Now if we divide both terms by A square, then what will we get? Then we will get 4:1. So hence the required ratio is 4:1. So out of these 4 options, option D, 4:1 is the correct answer. Now the second question is, the cost of cultivating a square field at the rate of rupees 160 per hectare is rupees 1440. The cost of putting a fence around it at 75 paise per meter is. So here listen, the cost of cultivating the square field at the rate of rupees 160 is equal to this 1440. We already know that the cost of cultivating will be equal to area into the rate of cultivating. So now if we multiply the area of the field and the rate of the cultivating, then we will get the total amount, that is rupees 1440. So therefore what will be the area? Then the area will be equal to this rupees 1440 divided by the rate. So what is the rate here? The rate here is 160. So we have 1440 divided by 160. Now if we divide these two values, then what will we get? If we divide these two values, we will get 9, that is the area of the square field is 9 hectare, because they have given the rate as rupees 160 per hectare. So therefore we get the area in hectares. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to convert this hectare into square meter. We already know that 1 hectare will be equal to 10,000 square meters. So therefore 9 hectares will be equal to what? This means the 9 hectares will be equal to 90,000 square meters. That is, we get the area of the square field. Now by using this only, we are going to find out the side of the square field. So therefore what will be the side of the square field? So therefore the side of the square field will be equal to square root of this 90,000, because we know that the area will be equal to side into side. So now if we want to find the side alone, then we have to take the square root of area, isn't it? So by using this only, we get this, that is side of the square field equal to square root of 90,000, and this will be equal to what? 300 meters. So hence we get the side of the square field. Now what we have to find is, we have to find out the perimeter, because we have to find out the cost of putting the fence. So we already know that we used to put the fence around the square field. So we need to find out the perimeter. So the perimeter formula is 4 into side, and here it will be equal to 4 into this 300 meter. Hence we get 1200 meters as the perimeter. So therefore the cost of fencing will be equal to what? We have to multiply this perimeter with the rate of fencing. What is the rate of fencing here? It is 75 paise, and 75 paise will be equal to what? The 75 paise will be equal to 0.75 rupees, isn't it? So therefore this 0.75 can be written as what? This can be written as 3 by 4. So therefore the 75 paise will be equal to rupees 3 by 4. Now if we multiply, what will we get? Now 1200 divided by 4 is 300. So 300 into 3 will be equal to what? 900. So hence the cost of fencing is rupees 900. So